Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen T-ROC. This is the 1 litre petrol SE finished in lovely pure white paint. So as you can see, you've got your really nice alloy wheels. This car is in lovely condition. It's been really well looked after. You've got your black roof rails. As I bring you around to the back, I'll open up the boot and I'll show you inside. There's plenty of space in there. So as you can see, plenty of room, so you won't be struggling for space with this car. So this car's covered just under 24,000 miles from new. And in the back you can see the seats are in a really lovely condition. There's no marks or scratches or any tears in any of the material in there. It would be a perfect family car. So I'll get in the car and start it up and I'll show you the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink depending on what device you've got. You've also got your DAB radio for all your entertainment needs. Underneath you've got your 2-zone climate control. Perfect for keeping you warm in the winter and nice and cool in the summer. And it is a manual as well. You've got 2 USB sockets and the 12-volt charger. If I pop it into reverse, you can see you've got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting you in and out of those tight spaces. You've got the lovely dark oak brown dash and door insert. And here's a good look at the seats. You can see really lovely cloth, really lovely condition. It's really comfortable too. Onto your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control on the car, so it's perfect for those long motorway drives. You've got automatic headlights and you've got your heated door mirrors as well, so it just helps you to reduce some time in the morning by getting rid of the condensation and ice build-up. You have also got your rain sensor wipers as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.